You're watching today's Daily Market Comment by Ref Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos, and thank you for joining us at xm.com. The US dollar was steadier but still near this week's lows on Thursday, following the Fed's latest concerted effort to extinguish market speculation of an imminent dovish pivot. Markets have been in a sanguine mood since last week's CPI report provided the strongest indication yet that inflation in the United States is well and truly on the way down. Fed policymakers were out in force on Wednesday to dispel revived expectations that there's not a long way to go in the tightening cycle. Investors also took note of the unexpectedly bigger than expected bounce back in retail sales in October, which underscored the Fed's argument that the U.S. economy is still running too hot. However, although the scaling back of some of the more dovish bets had a clear dampening effect on the risk rally, neither was there much of a reversal in the recent sharp moves. Most striking of all is how long-dated Treasury yields extended their losses yesterday to fresh multi-week lows and are only edging up slightly today. Unsurprisingly, the US dollar didn't receive much of a boost, and while it has steadied for now, the near-term risks remain skewed to the downside. The greenback hasn't even been able to reclaim the 140 handle against the yen and seems to be consolidating just below that key level. The pound is also benefiting from this weakness and appears to be positioning itself for another pop at the $120 mark. However, today's budget statement from UK Chancellor Jeremy Hunt poses a threat to sterling's bullish run. Hunt is expected to unveil a combination of tax increases and spending cuts at 11:30 GMT in his autumn statement. However, there's a danger that Hunt will go too far with his fiscal prudence, choking off any remaining pockets of growth in an economy that's already contracting. Apart from the Fed's remarks, equity markets were weighed also by the latest headlines from U.S. chip makers. Micron Technology and NVIDIA both reinforced the current gloomy demand outlook for semiconductors. Micron said it plans to cut chip supply and spending, while NVIDIA reported a mixed set of earnings. All three of Wall Street's main indices closed lower on Wednesday, and futures were slightly in the red during European trade. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at xm.com.